No ceasefire violations by Pakistan have been reported since 11 p.m. The Indian Army has clearly convened a strong message to the Pakistan Army, which has also been officially communicated. The latest visuals that have come in from the morning from Poonch, Pathankot, Rajouri, Firozpur, Akhnur, Jammu, Kulgam areas also show that the situation remains normal with no signs of any disturbance or any escalation. Let's get in live updates from our reporters who will be joining us, talking about how it has been a complete change. Remember, over the last 2 days, we have spoken about how the situation has escalated, how many residents had spotted drones, but today the situation is normal.
यहाँ की सिचुएशन तो ठीक ही रही, लाइट भी पूरे टाइम पे आ गई थी, तो बाकी सब ठीक ही रहा, कोई हलचल नहीं हुई। कह रहे हैं कि समझौता हो गया है? तो यहाँ तो कुछ ऐसी कोई दुर्घटना नहीं हुई।
रात को ठीक रहा, यहाँ पे तो कोई जो शेलिंग वगैरह हुई नहीं है। वो अखनूर में बता रहे थे थोड़ा कि वहाँ पे हुई है, तो उसके लिए पहले इन्होंने लाइट ऑन की थी, फिर बंद करवा दी बाद में, तो बाकी ठीक रहा। यहाँ पे कोई ऐसी बात नहीं। विश्वास पे बहुत बड़ी चीज़ होती है। इन्होंने अगर आपस में किया हुआ है कि ठीक है ये बंद कर देंगे तो बंद कर देंगे। अभी भरोसा तो हम किसी पाकिस्तान पे तो कर नहीं सकते सर, तो इनका कोई पता नहीं कब सीज फायर तोड़ दे। ऑलरेडी तोड़ते भी हैं ये लोग, पहले भी तोड़ते हैं, तो इसका हम क्लियर नहीं बता सकते, इनका कोई भरोसा नहीं है।
रात को जो माहौल था वो नॉर्मल ही था, कोई इतना वो नहीं था। पहले तो बहुत मिसाइलें वगैरह आती थी, रात को कुछ इतना नहीं था। कोई समझ नहीं आ रहे, समझौता हुआ फिर भी कहीं कहीं फायरिंग हुई, बहुत फायरिंग हुई।
So the civilians have spoken about how the situation has improved. They have not spotted any drones. There have not been any attempts from Pakistan to hit the civilian infrastructure. The situation has improved. The residents themselves have also spoken about the trust deficit, saying that we don't know when there could be an attack from Pakistan, and that's the uneasy calm that remains. Look at the visuals on your screens, complete contrast to what we have witnessed over the last 2 to 3 days, where multiple attempts have been made by Pakistan, about 300 to 400 drones being fired towards India. Today there's a complete change after the ceasefire understanding that India and Pakistan have reached, after which now things are returning to normalcy. Visuals coming in from multiple locations in these border areas, in the northern and western borders in particular. Remember, we had seen disruption of power as well. Now, more details coming in Amritsar as well. Hours after Pakistan violated the ceasefire arrangements, parts of Punjab are back to normal. In fact, the Amritsar district administration has also announced the resumption of normal activities in the region. Take a look at this ground report by my colleague Mohit. He filed this report from Bhatinda, where, remember, just a few days ago, just last morning, we also saw remnants of the missiles and drones from Pakistan.
The situation is getting back to normal here in Bhatinda. Right now we are reporting from main Bhatinda Amritsar highway, and as you can see, the traffic movement over here is normal, and we see that all the fruit sellers, the cars, the local market is open here. And we know for a fact that how Bhatinda has been under red alert last night, and we know that how the blackout prevailed over here even after India and Pakistan agreed for ceasefire. There was unprovoked ceasefire violation coming in from the side of Pakistan. But as of now, situation is normal. The markets are open, and what we see is that life getting back to normalcy. Sir, क्या है आज माहौल कैसा है? आज बढ़िया है?
माहौल बहुत बढ़िया है।
हाँ, कल थोड़ा ब्लैकआउट हुआ था, सायरन बजे थे, लेकिन 2 दिन पहले जो सिचुएशन थी उससे बेटर है।
डर का माहौल पहले बहुत था, बहुत सही है।
अभी पहले से बेटर लग रहा है?
बहुत बढ़िया।
दुकान लगाई थी आपने पहले?
लगाए थे, डर के मारे लगाए थे, ऐसा माहौल होगा कि बंद ना करना पड़ जाए।
हाँ, लेकिन अभी कैसा है माहौल?
सही है,
अभी माहौल सही है।
जी।
So there you see locals over here, they basically say that everything is getting back to normal. सर, आप यहीं रहते हैं लोकल? क्या माहौल है सर? अभी तो पहले से बढ़िया है, सीज फायर वायलेशन हुआ पाकिस्तान की तरफ से, लेकिन अभी माहौल जो है ठीक है।
रात थोड़ा डर था,
रात डर लगा, अंधेरा हो गया था।
बंद करके भागे थे हम लोग जल्दी।
अच्छा, डर बंद करके भागे थे?
बंद करके जल्दी जाए।
तो यही दुकान जो है ये मार्केट है, सब्जी और फल का मार्केट?
ये अपना फूखा लगा हुआ
जी।
वहीं से हम लोग बैठे थे, पहले शाम को बोले सीज फायर खत्म हो गई, हम लोग में स्पीकर हो गया।
हाँ, आप खुश हो गए थे?
हाँ, खुश हो गए थे।
लेकिन रात में जो है ना एकाएक लाइट उठ कट गया, उधर से स्पीकर के हॉर्न जो है ना वो बोलने लगे, फिर हम लोग बच गए यहाँ से।
अभी कैसा माहौल है? अभी तो हम देख रहे हैं सड़कों पे गाड़ियां चल रही हैं और यही आम आदमी चाहता है।
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल सुकून है अभी।
भारत ने पाकिस्तान को जवाब दिया, उसके बाद सीज फायर वायलेशन थोड़ा बहुत हुआ, लेकिन अभी शांति है।
अभी शांति है जी, वही शाम को डर है,
शाम को डर
क्या होंगे नहीं होंगे, क्या होगा फिर बचना पड़ेगा।
So there you see the people over here say that they have opened their shops, and this is the local vegetable market over here. And whenever there is such a kind of incident, the worst affected are the people who are daily wage earners. And now, but they say that they are relieved over here. Sir, क्या माहौल है? अभी शांति है यहाँ पे?
ठीक है।
कल थोड़ा जब पाकिस्तान की तरफ से सीज फायर वायलेशन हुआ था, हमला किया गया था, तो यहाँ पे रात को अंधेरा किया गया था। लेकिन 2 दिन पहले तो ज्यादा ही ड्रोन दिखाई दिए थे।
ज्यादा सी पहला तो ठीक है।
अभी ठीक है सर, अभी कोई डर का माहौल नहीं है, बढ़िया माहौल है, लोग दुकान पे आ रहे हैं, सब आ रहे हैं।
My colleagues Tejasri and Pavit are also joining us on the broadcast with the details of what the situation is at the moment. Tejasri had been reporting from a location just yesterday where a temple and civilian infrastructure had been hit because of the attacks from Pakistan. And Tejasri, today the situation seems to have returned to normalcy. What is it that you're seeing around you?
Well, we cannot say that complete normalcy, but yes, to some extent, because yes, as we have been reporting since morning, that the streets are completely empty. People are still in fear because of the kind of attack that took place over here in the center, in the city of Kashmir, in Rehari, at the Shambhu temple, and several other places as well. So yes, people are, much more scared to move or step outside their house because of the exchange of fire also that took yesterday night, approximately around till 11 p.m. I should say, and then there were sirens all around. The drones were spotted, they were shot. But yes, we can say that after 11 p.m. the condition is a bit, normal, or is in fact we are inching close towards normalcy, but not complete normalcy. But yes, we can also say that we'll have to, wait and watch as to what happens next. Completely, we cannot jump to the conclusion because again, we know that how Pakistan has been behaving since past few years. Every time it promises about the ceasefire, and the very next time there's another ceasefire violation, and that is what we saw yesterday, that there was a declaration of ceasefire at around 5 p.m. and within 3 hours there was a violation. So yes, as of now the things seem to be normal, but will they continue or not, that remains to be seen. However, yes, people have been saying over here that as of now at the international border in Arnia, in Suchetgarh, in Poonch, in other districts as well, till now there is there's no such kind of unprovoked firing from the side of Pakistan. There is no shelling, and as of now it seems like yes, the situation seems to be normal. But again, I'll say that we'll have to wait and watch as to what happens after after approximately around 6 p.m. because that's the time when we see cross-border firing, we see the ceasefire violation, especially at the LOC, because since past few days we have been seeing that there has been a major ceasefire violation at the international border.
After nights of terror, now finally the residents are not seeing any drones or any blasts overnight. Pavit is also live with us. Pavit, has normalcy been restored? You've also been reporting from areas that have seen multiple blackouts. Well, Pavit, you're mute. If you can unmute yourself. All right, we'll try and reconnect that line with Pavit in just a moment. But normalcy returning to several of these areas where over the last 2 days they have witnessed drones being fired from Pakistan. Pavit is back with us. Yes, Pavit.
Yes, exactly. So right now I'm present in Gurdaspur, the place which is right few miles away from the border, international border, which shares border with Pakistan. But from past last night, the things are coming back to normal. No drone sightings have been observed over here. No drones have been fired in the area, and no blackouts have taken place since last night. No air raid sirens have been heard from anyone in Gurdaspur, which is a clear indication that things are coming back to normal. But the catch over here is we have to wait and watch for next 24 hours, because last night after the truce we saw that ceasefire violation was done again by Pakistan. But since last night we have seen a change in the environment and change in the scenario, and since last night there is a sigh of relief in the citizens out here in Gurdaspur area. But we have to keep an eye out there, because right now also Amritsar is on high alert, Chandigarh is on high alert, Mohali is on high alert, for that matter Firozpur is on high alert, because these are the areas which places have always seen the most drone attacks by Pakistan. Even if I talk particularly about Gurdaspur villages have seen a lot of drone sightings in past few days, but a sigh of relief is there that things are coming back to normal. Since yesterday night, things are being observed, as we are given to understand that things are coming back to normal. The shops are open, things are coming back to normalcy, but the administration has alerted the people to stay vigilant, follow the instructions which are being given by district administration. Even if there are air raid signals, people should...
Okay. All right. So remain calm. There's no reason to panic. That's a very clear message that has come in from the administration. Pavit and Tetri, thank you for joining us. Quick break now. We'll be right back.